Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in the Glens of Antrim. We're in a place called Lara Lodge. There's a restaurant and bar here, so it is, just off the Glen Road, just down from Waterfoot and Glenariff as well. But what I'm going to do is going to take you over towards the waterfalls. You can do the hike down from Glenariff Forest Park, but I just thought, flip, you know what? I've never done it this way, so I'm down at the actual pub. Food in here is absolutely fantastic. It's pricey, but it's well worth it. So I'll just pan around and I'll show you exactly where we are here. I'll try and not get you into the sun, but this is where we are. And that's the pub and restaurant there. But I'm going to head down over this way here, just down towards the actual waterfalls itself. And I'll get the big main fall and I'll get a couple of the other falls as well. You can probably hear the rapids already. And quite a full flow today because obviously with all the rain, obviously all the rain that we had recently, but look at this. So this is Glenariff Waterfalls. It's in full flow. Look at this coming down here. But I'm going to head up this way because the other falls are up this direction. Yeah, there's a wee bit of a climb up, but it shouldn't be that bad. Bit slippy underfoot, but it's to be expected for all the rain that we've had. Hey there. Wow. You can actually feel the spray coming off those waterfalls. You can maybe see it in the mist. Wow. You just hear the force in this. I've never seen it so, yeah. Wow, look at this. So here we go, guys. This is Glenariff Waterfall. You'll probably not see that very much because the sound here is crazy and the sun's just coming through. You can see the sun here. But yeah, this is one of the waterfalls. Uh, Extremely really busy today. Water's flowing. As you can see, it's nuts, absolutely nuts. And I'm getting soaked here, so I'm going to head back down to the other waterfall. This one's got a nicer, calmer pool, but it's back down this way here where we came, back down that direction there. But look at this, absolutely amazing. I wouldn't fancy going for a swim in it, but yeah, absolutely stunning. It's a bit quieter here, so it is, but you can get the full effect of it now. With the sun's behind me now, you'll be able to see a wee bit better with these gorgeous little pools. But really see the force of this. Like if you fell in there, you wouldn't have a chance. Wow. Absolutely beautiful, but also terrifying as well. But they've done a really good job in here, this Glenariff Forest Park. They say they do the one up towards the mountain. You can check that out. I'll maybe leave a wee link in the description of that one. Um, but yeah, there's other waterfalls over towards the top forest, up towards the top of the mountain, where the peak of the mountain is. I don't know offhand what to call that, but if I find out the name of it, I'll put the name on the screen of that mountain on the top of the Glen's Antrim. But yeah, look at this. Absolutely beautiful. So I just thought I would take a race up this way here today, because weather wasn't great today, so I left it a wee bit later. I think it's about 6:30 now. But yeah, I will take you down to the other waterfall. It's like a rock face waterfall, but it's as stunning as this one. Coming back down from the other top waterfall. First time I came down here and I seen this, I was going, well, only in Ireland could you get a pub in the middle of a forest. What was it? Well, the north of Ireland, Northern Ireland. Well, yeah, this is Glenariff. Just depending on what way you want to perceive it, Ireland, Northern Ireland. But this is the north of Ireland anyway. But yeah, there's your Guinness thing. So this will take you up over this bridge. Will take you up to the other waterfall. I hope so much to be able to get this drone up here, because this waterfall is very stunning, so it is. But yeah, this is where we've been, and this is where we're going, just up this path. The two of them aren't that far apart. It's not that far of a walk. I think it maybe just get about maybe a mile and a wee bit out of this walk, but I say it's not the distance that you're here for, it's the experience and the absolutely beautiful environment that you're going to be in. So yeah, that way there takes you back up to Glenariff Car Park, the top car park. This is your other waterfall down here. I'll show you this one here too. This is called Isna Crub, Fall of the Hoof, like Sleeve Crib, Hoof of the Mountain. So Crib or Crub is Irish for hoof. But here we go. This is your second waterfall. My God, I was wanting to get the drone up here, but you know what? There's so much oversplash spray in this. I've never seen it like this ever in my life. Just probably with so much rain that we've had recently, the people come down here and swim. There's no fear of that happening today, but the wind, the blowback from the falls is crazy. You can see the way it's affecting all the trees, all the tree branches, and you can see the mist flying across here. So it's too dodgy to get the drone up here. I have had some nice drone shots up at the top of the Glenariff Car Park, going through the valley into the glens. So hopefully, yeah, you'll be able to experience the sheer forces and the magnitude of this here, of what's actually happening here. But yeah, it's just a pity, but that's just the way it is. But so, Glenariff Second Falls. There you go, guys. Um, that's it finished. See, it's not that far of a walk. You're only about just under a mile, I think. But Glenariff Waterfalls in Glenariff, just outside Glenariff and Waterfoot. Done.